As a liver specialist, I treat thousands of patients of liver cirrhosis, fatty liver, and hepatitis. Many ask me about Ayurvedic remedies and natural treatment. Today, I will break down what works, what does not, and how you can truly support your liver. Have you heard that herbs like milk thistle, amla, kitki can cleanse and heal your liver? Are they really effective or is it just hype? Liver is the only organ that can regenerate itself. But for that, it needs right kind of support, not any kind of magical pills. It detoxifies harmful chemicals in the body, it processes alcohol, and it metabolizes the food. Now let's look at the natural herbs and Ayurvedic remedies that truly supports the liver health. So in Ayurvedic and natural remedies, the first herb that I want to discuss is about the milk thistle. Milk thistle is a most researched herb and it has an antioxidant properties that helps in the regeneration of liver cells. It prevents the toxin but it does not flush the toxins from the liver. Problem with milk thistle is that we don't know what quantity is required in a particular disease and for how long the patient should take it, because in overdosing it can cause serious side effect. So I suggest the people that if you have any problem, you go to the liver specialist, discuss about your problem. We have lot of alternative options available which are safer and more efficacious than milk thistle. Next is the amla, that is the Indian gooseberry or the powerhouse of vitamin C. I think we all know from childhood that amla is one of the rich source of vitamin C. This is good for vitamin supplement form, but it is not the treatment of any liver disease. You should not have a concept that if you take vitamin C, your liver problem will go away. But yes, it helps you to keep in a good shape, good health, but it is not the treatment for any liver problem. Next is the kutki or the liver tonic. It is traditionally being used for the treatment of liver cirrhosis, hepatitis, but we have seen that it is not giving a significant benefit to the recovery of the liver problem in the patient. So at what dosing, how much it should be taken, its knowledge is not complete, and that's why I suggest that whenever you are taking any kind of Ayurvedic medication, please consult your liver specialist. Next is Giloy or the immunity booster. During the corona pandemic, a lot of people have taken Giloy thinking that it helps in the boosting of the immunity and prevention of the corona infection. And we have seen many cases of Giloy poisoning, long-term Giloy poisoning or side effect from this to the liver. So I strongly advise the people that do not take any Giloy without any proper prescription from Ayurvedic doctor for any kind of immunity booster, because it has a significant side effect on the liver health. So instead of looking for a shortcut, follow the scientifically backed facts for the support and treatment of your liver health. Now you know the truth about Ayurvedic remedies and natural treatment for liver problem. Have you ever tried any of these natural remedies? Please comment in the comment sections how long you have used, what was the benefit you have gone, or if you experience any side effects or not. Please comment this in the comment box. Please do like and subscribe Live Gastro channel for more insights in the liver health. Thank you.